Dear JCOM members, kindly put your mobile phones on silent mode or switch it off and take your seats as quickly as possible so that we can start the meeting. Now I call upon Treasurer JC Ashish Shah come to the dais. Now I call upon Secretary JC Rajesh Methi come to the dais. Now I call upon JCOM Vice Chairman JC Saurabh Rohtgi come to the dais. Now I request the JCOM coach JC Sanjeev Nigotia to come to the dais. Now I call upon Chairman of JCOM Delhi L1.0 JC Adesh Bansal to come to the dais.
Good morning. Good morning. I, the Chairman of JCOM Delhi L1.2, hereby call second week Solution Board meeting to order. Now let us all raise for JCI creed. I invite JC Shashank Agarwal to please invoke JCI creed.
Thank you, Chairman. We believe that faith in God gives meaning and purpose to human life, that brotherhood of men transcends the sovereignty of nation, that economic justice can best be won by free men through free enterprise, that government should be of laws rather than of men, that Earth's great treasure lies in human personality, and that service to humanity is the best job of life. Thank you.
Thank you, Shashank. Good morning once again.
Good morning.
I, the Chairman of JCOM Delhi Table 1.0, wholeheartedly welcome our invitees and JCOM members to this second week meeting. JCOM is the only organization which concentrates on 100% business growth of its members. I once again welcome all. This is a business meeting of JC's Chamber of Commerce, and I request all to recite the slogan of the meeting. We, the members of JCOM, commit 100 minutes for 100% business solutions.
100 minutes for 100% business solutions.
Thank you. This meeting focuses on exploring various possible solutions to your business challenges to increase your net volume by learning various possible solutions and also enlighten about the practical implications. Now I welcome our invitees who have honored our JCOM members' invitation, and I am happy to announce a new member has joined our table, and I invite JC Ramesh Madanji to come to the front head table facing towards the camera. Now I request our Secretary JC Rajesh Methi ji to introduce him to the table, please.
Thank you, Chairman. It's a matter of pleasure. JC Ramesh Madan is going to join the table JCOM Delhi L10. Ramesh Madan is a founder of Invotech Solutions, offers brand development solution and marketing strategies for business growth. Welcome to JC Ramesh Madan. Over to Chairman.
Thank you, Rajeshi. Ramesh ji, please raise your right hand above your shoulder and repeat after me. I do promise that I will faithfully serve the purpose of JCOM and will be truthful with members and customers in giving the quality service by following the ethics of good business with guidelines of JCOM. Thank you. Thank you, and you are welcome to the table, Ramesh ji.
Thank you very much.
We'll recite the slogan here: JCOM, 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 JCOM. 100 minutes for 100% business solutions.
100 minutes for 100% business solutions.
Now I am going to call upon our members to give their 20 seconds business flash presentation, which would include your name, your business, your organization name, And for the need for connection you would like to get connected to, and a gift for connection which you have for your table members. JC Vikas Janji will be the clock watcher, and JC Vikas Janji will be the clock watcher, and JC Anshul Agarwalji will be the biz master for today, and judge for the 20-second business flash will be our coach JC Sanjeev Nigotia. Let's start with JC Divesh Gera.
धक्के लगा लगा के तबीयत हुई खराब, अब तो पड़ोसी भी नहीं देते सर, तो फोन निकालो और हमारा नंबर डायल करो ना सर. Good morning JCOM, my name is Divesh Gera, my firm name is Gera Battery. Our USP is after sales services and home services. I would like to connect to Mr. Usman, owner of my perfume showroom, and my gift to the table is Mr. Man Maheshwari, the builder. Thanks Divesh Gera, Gera Battery.
Next JC Vishal Joshi. Please pass on the mic.
Hello JCOM.
Good morning.
Good morning. Education is not about success and failure, it is about learning. Hi, I am Vishal Joshi. My company name is Nucleus Education. Our USP is we care your child as our child. I would like to connect Mr. Rahul, owner of Prince School, Kota, and I would like to connect to the table Mr. Anshulji, Insurance Advisor.
Thank you, Vishalji. Next JC Shashank Agarwal.
Thank you, Chairman. Good morning, JCOM. We deliver quality, we supply quality. I, JC Shashank Agarwal from Range Industries, a brand name in manufacturing sector of tractor parts. Here I introduce myself to you all. My connect ask is that I want to connect in EV sector of Bajaj two-wheelers. Thank you.
Thank you. Next JC Ashish Shah. Next JC Pankaj Garg.
आला रे आला, गरज का ताला. Good morning JCOM.
Good morning.
चाहे वो अमृतसर, चाहे वो लुधियाना, चाहे वो दिल्ली या हो अंबाला, सबकी पसंद है गरज का ताला. Please connect me to DLF Purchase Department in Gurgaon, and I will connect whole table to my friend Vishal, who is having an Indian petrol pump. Thank you.
JC Ritesh Sharma ji. Please pass on the mic.
Very good morning to all the JCOM members.
Good morning.
Good morning. Myself JC Ritesh Sharma, and my business is of diesel generators, inverter batteries and solars. Our firm name is Navish Corporation. We are from Jodhpur and serving in all the Rajasthan for the DG sets. I am here for the business from all the members of the table here. Thank you.
Now I'm going to call upon the members to introduce themselves and explain their business challenges. This should include your name, your business, your organization name, and the challenge which you would like to get addressed among the table board. And for today's solution board meeting, our coach JC Sanjeev Nigotia ji will be the moderator, and our solution board comprises of our secretary JC Rajesh Beti ji, our vice chairman Saurabh JC Saurabh Rohtagi ji, and JC Shashank Agarwal. Now I'll hand it over to our coach JC Sanjeev Nigotia to act as the moderator for the solution board.
मैं पंकज गर्ग जी से
निवेदन करता हूँ वो अपने बिजनेस चैलेंज को हमारे पास प्रस्तुत करें।
Myself Pankaj Garg from Messrs Garg Enterprises. I am dealing in modular kitchens and hardware. We are buying material from the stockists, super stockists and distributors. But the prices of the same are online is more cheaper than our cost. How can I outcome in this problem? मैं कैसे इस प्रॉब्लम से बाहर आऊँ? Thank you.
मित्रों, पंकज जी की जो प्रॉब्लम्स है ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन रेट्स की प्रॉब्लम है, जैसा कि आपने समझा, उन्होंने बताया वो उस प्रॉब्लम से कैसे बाहर निकले। आपके पास जो भी सॉल्यूशन है, जो बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन उन्हें दे सकते हैं, वो आप कृपया दीजिए। एनीबॉडी एल्स? जी।
What we can do, Pankaj ji, what you can do is you can add on some services or add on some complements with your products with as a complement to your customers.
Any? जी।
सर ने बिल्कुल सही बोला, जिस तरह से हम ऐड ऑन करते हैं, लाइक मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स में भी ये दिक्कत आती है कि पीपल से कि कॉस्टली, तो व्हाट विल वी से कि आफ्टर सेल सर्विसेज और होम सर्विसेज हमारी सबसे अच्छी है। आपकी फोन पे बंदा आएगा तो यू कैन ऐड ऑन सर्विसेज, दैट विल बी द बेस्ट।
जैसे कि अंशु जी और देवेश जी ने लगभग एप्रिशिएशन को ध्यान दिया, और मैं सॉल्यूशन बोर्ड से चाहूंगा कि इस पर बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन क्या हो सकता है, हमें आप मार्गदर्शन दें।
थैंक यू मॉडरेटर। पंकज जी, आपकी जो प्रॉब्लम है ये एक यूनिवर्सल प्रॉब्लम है नाउअडेज। वी हैव, आई कैन सजेस्ट यू 3 ऑप्शंस इन दिस थिंग। वन इज कॉल्ड रेजर ब्लेड मॉडल, इन विच मॉडल इट इज अ वेरी कॉमन मॉडल विच जनरेट यूज कि हम रेजर को सस्ता बेचें एंड ब्लेड को महंगा। इट वुड बी लाइक अगर आपके साथ कोई कस्टमर आता है, he buys a product from you, you can add a service which can be on like regular payment basis or service at AMC type. Okay, this can be a razor blade model. Second option is developing an ecosystem like you can if a customer come, he may ask for a lock, बट आप उसको वर्टिकल पूरा ग्रोथ दिखाइए। सर आपको लॉक के साथ ऊपर की चिटकनी भी मिल जाएगी, नीचे का ये भी मिलेगा, स्टॉपर भी मिलेगा, एंड ट्राई टू प्रोवाइड कस्टमर अ कंप्लीट सॉल्यूशन अंडर वन रूफ। तो कस्टमर को वो एक बारी का सिंगल प्रोडक्ट लिया होगा, उससे बेटर ये ऑप्शन मिलेगा। थर्ड इज वैल्यू एडेड सर्विसेज, लाइक गेरा जी सजेस्टेड कि हम लोग आपके लाइक अब कस्टमर केम टू यू कि हमें लोग चाहिए, आप उससे कारपेंटर का भी आप बता सकते हैं, लाइक कि हम गर्ग एंटरप्राइज में हमारे पास कारपेंटर भी है, आपका अगर लॉक खराब होता है या इवन इसको चेंज करना है, वी कैन डू अ बेटर सॉल्यूशन कि हम अपना कारपेंटर भी आपके साथ भेज सकते। दिस कैन बी 3 ऑप्शन फॉर यू। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। देखिए कितने खूबसूरत तरीके से सॉल्यूशन बोर्ड ने उनका सॉल्यूशन दिया। पंकज जी, आप इस सॉल्यूशन को अपने अमल में लेके आए। हम लोग चाहेंगे कि आपकी प्रॉब्लम जल्दी से सॉल्व हो। दूसरी प्रॉब्लम जो चैलेंजेस, भुवनेश जैसी भुवनेश जी हमारे बीच हैं, उनसे अनुरोध है कि वो अपना चैलेंजेस को बताएं।
थैंक यू कोच सर। माय नेम इज JC Bhuvnesh Vora and we are dealing into manufacturing of toys and the name of my company is New Delhi Toys. The biggest challenge right now what I am facing is we have received a huge order from MNC company where we need to export these toys in next 3 months, and the demand what they are asking is the double the capacity what I have right now. So I have limited resources in my plant and I cannot deliver them on committed dates. So I need solution for this. Thank you.
थैंक यू। प्रॉब्लम्स आप सभी के समक्ष आ चुकी है। इन्होंने जो ऑर्डर लिया था, अपनी जो कैपेसिटी है उस कैपेसिटी से थोड़ा सा उनका कहना है कि ऑर्डर ज्यादा मिला हमें और हमने एडवांस भी ले लिया है। उस ऑर्डर को समय रहते उन्हें पूरा भी करना है। तो बोर्ड से अनुरोध है कि उनके लिए जो प्रॉब्लम्स है लेबर की, वो प्रॉब्लम कैसे सॉल्व हो। जी
सर, उनकी जो प्रॉब्लम है उसके हिसाब से आप चाहें तो अपना प्रोडक्शन प्लांट ओवर टाइम जो आपके स्टाफ्स हैं उनको आप ओवर टाइम करवा के एक्स्ट्रा इंसेंटिव्स देके भी कर सकते हैं। इसके साथ ही साथ अगर आपके जो कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं मार्केट में, जो आपके कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं सर मार्केट में, उनसे आप उनका जो प्रोडक्ट, आपका जो भी प्रोडक्ट आप उसको देना चाहते हैं, तो वो कुछ ऑर्डर्स वहाँ से पूरे हो सकते हैं। कुछ आप अपने स्टाफ जो है उनको ओवर टाइम करवा के, क्योंकि 3 महीने का मैटर है, सो यू कैन बी ए कमिटेड बिजनेसमैन एंड यू आल्सो नीड दैट कि मेरा बिजनेस जो है 3 महीने में कंप्लीट हो। सो फ्रॉम माय साइड This is a small suggestion. Thank you.
थैंक यू रितेश जी, बहुत खूबसूरत तरीके से उन्होंने उनकी बात को समझा और आंसर दिया। और मैं चाहूँगा, हाँ जी पंकज जी।
जैसे अभी सर आप काम कर रहे हैं, आप टॉयज बना रहे हैं, तो मार्केट में और भी लोग ये काम करते हैं, तो आप उनसे अपना जॉब वर्क भी करवा सकते हैं। और या आप ये मटेरियल, क्योंकि आपने एक्सपोर्ट करना है तो इंडियन मार्केट में ये प्राइसेस वैसे ही सस्ते मिल जाएंगे, तो आप बाहर से इसको बाय करके भी दे सकते हो। तो थोड़ा सा प्रॉफिट जरूर कम होगा, बट यू विल सस्टेन योर क्लाइंट, आपका क्लाइंट ऑन टाइम डिलीवरी हो जाएगी। दैट इज माय बेस्ट ऑप्शन।
लगभग सॉल्यूशन की डिटेल्स ही वाली बात कही पंकज जी ने दोहराया है कि वो अपने मार्केट में अपने डिवीजन ऑफ लेबर जो उनका काम है उसको दूसरे को असाइन करें। मैं फिर भी सॉल्यूशन बोर्ड से अनुरोध करता हूं कि वो इसका बेस्ट सॉल्यूशन हमारे बीच प्रस्तुत अवश्य करें।
थैंक यू मॉडरेटर फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी। ये जो प्रॉब्लम है ये एक जनरल प्रॉब्लम है, पीक टाइम सीजन के अंदर में नॉर्मली सभी मैन्युफैक्चरर्स की प्रॉब्लम आती है। तो इसमें हम लोग जो काम कर सकते हैं, दो स्टेप्स हमको प्रायोरिटी इसमें स्टार्टिंग में ले लेनी चाहिए था। बिफोर जब हमारे पास इस ऑर्डर्स आ रहे होते हैं तो हमारे पास एक जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग चेन है वो हमें प्रॉपर कर लेनी चाहिए विद द व्हाट वी से इज जो हमें लेबर का जो सिस्टम होता है उसको हमें टीम्स उसके शिफ्ट्स के अंदर में कर सकते हैं उससे, जिससे कि हमारा प्रोडक्शन जो होता है वो ऑलमोस्ट 1.5 टाइम्स बढ़ जाता है। यानी अपना जो प्रोडक्शन लिमिट होता है उसको हम 1.5 टाइम्स बढ़ा सकते हैं। द अदर थिंग इज there are all other manufacturers also, those are white label manufacturer. You can consortium with those manufacturer and you can get the same quality with the same price available in the market. तो आप उनको भी अपने साथ में एसोसिएट कर सकते हैं फॉर द टाइम। थैंक यू।
थैंक यू रजनीश जी, यहाँ तक मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि आपको अपनी बात का सॉल्यूशन आपको जी
Moderator sir, I want to add in this thing.
जी
There can be a solution like in every city there is a cluster formed by Government of India. So उस cluster के पास वही same products होते हैं जो आप manufacture कर रहे हैं. You can go to that cluster, MSME का एक cluster होता है. उनके पास पूरा complete machine setup होता है. You can go to them and very minimum charges they will produce the product for you. Thank you.
थैंक यू, थैंक यू। भुवनेश जी, जैसा कि सॉल्यूशन बहुत बेहतर तरीके से आपके सामने आ चुका है और हम लोग समझते हैं कि आप अपने उस टास्क को जल्दी से समय रहते अपना पूरा करेंगे। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट। हैंडेड ओवर द चेयरमैन। Thank you, JC Sanjeev ji, for conducting the solution board session so wonderfully. For the next month solution board, the following members will share their challenges. JC Anshul Agarwal ji, JC Kavita Agarwal, and JC Devesh Kar. Now it's time for the invitees introduction. I would like to invite JC Vivek Verma ji for the introduction, please. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Myself JC Vivek Verma. I am from Panchkula and I am a travel consultant. I am running my own travel agency. We provide facilities for entire the world, travel anywhere in the world through us. That is our motive, and you can join us for any services. Thank you.
Now I request Biz Master JC Ankur Agarwal to ask questions on the business.
Thank you, Chairman. Right, guys, we are ready with the questions for this master side. First question. What was the punchline of the Gera batteries? Anyone will come with the answer. Pankaj ji, yeah, Shashank bhai.
धक्के लगा के अब तबीयत हुई खराब, अब पड़ोसी भी नहीं देते साथ को, तो करो गेड़ा बैटरीज को याद।
Very good, very good. Second question, what was the correct ask of Race Enterprises? Correct ask for Race Enterprises. Yeah, please, Devesh ji.
EV sector in Gujarat.
Yeah, definitely. What was the company's name of Vishal ji? Yeah, Bhunesh bhai.
Nucleus education.
Yeah, that's the right answer. Thank you. That's all from my side. Over to the chairman.
Thank you, Anshul ji. Now I request our moderator, JC Sanjeev Nigotia ji, to announce the best solution provider with explanation for selecting the same in short.
The best solution suggestion award for Mr. Grant Batteries means Gera Batteries.
Now it is time to thank those who supported our JCOM members, and we'll read that I have dash number of solutions and elaborate on the solution. I have a credential about a business that I have done with one member of the table. If you have any G-note, and if you have any invitee for the meeting, your last month's target, what was the last month's target achieved, reason or challenge in achieving that target, and what will be your next month's target. We'll start with Jesse Deveshkar.
Good morning, GCOM. I have good morning, GCOM. I have one solution given to sir, and I have two connects. I connected Mr. Vishal Shah and Mr. Saurabh Ruttigi, and they coming to targets. Last year target was 10 lakhs, but target achieved is 9 lakh only. Challenges faced is I got 7 connect, but connected only 4 out of them. Next month target 15 lakh. As summer season is coming, my seat will be on boom. Thanks, Divesh Gira.
Thank you. Next, JC Pankaj Garg.
Good morning, Jacob, once again.
Good morning.
I got 5 solutions today. Thank you, table members, for this. And I have one credential to Devesh Geda. I bought a battery for my home and the excellent service and the prices from the market. I have one G-note for Vishalji. He has purchased material for their home and closed business of 2 lakhs for me. And I have one invitee. I would like to thank Ramesh Madanji for honoring my invitation. My last month target is 75 lakhs and I have achieved 90 lakh because annual schemes are going on and vendors have to complete their sales target. My next month target is 80 lakh. Thank you, everyone.
With this huge round of applause, next is JC Shashank Agarwal. जगाने पड़ते हैं सब.
Thank you, Chairman. Good morning, JCOM. I have 4 solutions today, and we have given solution to Pankaj ji for Garg Enterprise and Vishal ji for their toys manufacturing. I have one credential for Mr. Vishesh Diman for providing excellent IT services. I have a G code that I have closed a business of 2.5 lakh with Pankaj ji for providing me the solution for my home decor. My last month target was 67 lakhs and we were able to close up to 70 lakhs because of the repeat order from my existing customers. And my next month target will be 76 lakhs. Thank you.
Thank you, Shashank. Now I would like to request our invitee JC Vivek Verma ji to share his experience on the meeting, please. Please pass on the mic.
it's a good experience. All are disciplined, and I think it's a great platform for the development of the growth of the business. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. So we'd like to have you in our next meeting as a member. JCOM, JCOM. JCOM, JCOM. Now I will call upon our treasurer, JC Ashish Shahji, for the treasurer report.
Hello JCOM. I'm Ashish Shah, treasurer of JCOM L, Delhi 1O. Till now 32 members reduced out of 34 members. Thank you so much. JCOM, JCOM.
JCOM, JCOM. Now I call upon our secretary, JC Rajesh Medri, for the secretary report.
Thank you, Chair.
Today attendance is 34 out of 42 members. Number of invitees are 2. Percentage growth in attendance is 20% from the last meeting, and percentage growth in invitees is 40% from the last meeting. Over to chairman.
Thank you, secretary. Now I call upon our coach, JC Sanjeev Nigoteri, to give his observations.
थैंक यू सर. सर आज तो बहुत प्रसन्नता का अनुभव हो रहा है. जितनी मैंने जी नोट की उम्मीद पिछली मीटिंग में की उससे ज्यादा जी नोट हमको मिले हुए हैं. आप सब अपने लिए ताली बजा रहे हैं और मैं आगे भी आप लोगों से उम्मीद करता हूं कि इसी तरह जी नोट को हर बार हमें कोशिश करना है कि हम कैसे से ज्यादा जी नोट को प्राप्त करें. दूसरी बात आती है इनवाइटीज की. इनवाइटी पहले की मीटिंग की तुलना में इस बार इनवाइटी डबल हुए हैं. आप सबको बधाई, क्योंकि इनवाइटी एक ऐसा शख्स होता है जो कहते हैं ना आइसिंग ऑन द केक. आपको वो सही वैल्यूएशन देता है. उसको नहीं मालूम आपके बारे में, पर आपका वैल्यूएशन वो वही करता है जो आपको जानता नहीं है. तो उन्होंने जिस तरह से आपका फीडबैक दिया, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू वेरी मच. और अगली बार आपको ज्यादा से ज्यादा इनवाइटीज को कॉल करना है और ज्यादा से ज्यादा, थोड़ा सा मुझे मेरी भूख ज्यादा है, ज्यादा से ज्यादा जी नोट भी मुझे चाहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you for the observations, coach. Now I request Vice Chairman JC Saurabh Lohutagi for Vice Chairman report.
Thank you, Chairman, for the opportunity. The total number of correct passed last till date is 85. The total amount of G-Note passed till date is 89,54,000 from the table. And the total number of corrects passed in this week is 5. The total amount of G-Note passed in this week is 8,30,000. Today morning it is. Totally 4 credentials were passed today in our table, and our table has completed 4 showcases last week. I request each member to kindly punch your data in the mobile app on time. Thank you.
The Vice Chairman report has been very encouraging. I hope सारे खुश हैं अपने business growth को लेकर यहाँ पर. Once again, JCOM, JCOM. Now the highest G-Note recognition for this week goes to JC Pankaj Garg. Huge round of applause. JC Divesh Gera ji for best showcase. JC Shashank Agarwal for the highest number of connects. And again JC Divesh Gera ji for bringing in invitees for the meeting. Now with this, we are about to come to an end to the second week's business solutions meeting. Looking forward to meet you all with more invitees, more G-Notes, and with more showcases and with more connects next week. And before we meet next month for the solution board meeting, the members and the board recommended to visit the following JCOM members at their respective business to suggest areas of improvement and to address their respective business challenges. JC Kavita Agarwal, JC Anshul Agarwal, and JC Vikas Jain. The next week venue and time will remain. So keep connected with JCOM, the only organization which provides 100% growth by providing solutions. JCOM. 100 minutes for 100% business solutions.
100 minutes for 100% business solutions.
Now it's time for our secretary to propose the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Chairman, for the privilege. I, J.C. Rajesh, meeting in the capacity of Secretary of JCOM Table L10, deem it an honor to thank Coach J.C. Sanjeev Nigotia ji, and also being a moderator of Solution Board. A special thanks to the board member of Solution Board, J.C. Shashank Agarwal ji, J.C. Saurabh Rawat ji, J.C. Rajesh ji, and to develop the theory in the table, gratitude to J.C. Pankaj Gar and J.C. Devesh Bora ji, and table member for your personal presence and quality time which you spend on JCOM. I thank invitees for accepting our invitation. Thank you everyone who support this meeting directly or indirectly for the benefit of JCOM. Let us meet next week. Thank you and have a great business week ahead. Over to Chairman.
Thank you, Rajesh. Now I request everyone to raise both hands. Okay. Now I, the chairman of JCOM Delhi Table 1.0, adjourn the second week solution board meeting. Thank you everybody.
Wonderful. Very good job. Very good job.